Hey everyone, Forrest here, ripping 2021 Certified Football Hobby 4-box break number 21, random teams. Here are your results. You can always find these at LaytonSportsCards.com on the results tab. Thanks everybody for joining and good luck. Let's see what we got. Oh yeah, double dare. Clark is right. Clark Griswold.
Yes.
Clark, the one and only Clark Griswold. That's okay. My name's Forrest. I get stuff like that all the time, so. Plus Clark Griswold. That's a great name to have.
I just have to remember the one with the mountain.
T. Higgins, the first hit of the break. Jersey patch auto to 15. I haven't seen one of these in a long time.
That's cool.
Unexpected. Nice hit, Bengals. Nice 3 colors on that die cut patch there to 15. Justin Fields graffiti. Good start. I think that's just a bonus hit. There should also be an RPA in this. Unless it's just a patch auto. Wait, here's an RPA right here. Kenny Nwangwu, RPA to 249 Vikings. You go Vikings. Wow, if we just get a hit in every pack, this would be a sweet break. Gold team Justin Herbert.
Hot box. I don't even think that's a thing.
Oh, third time's a charm. Justin Jefferson to 149 Vikings. Stars Alvin Kamara. Yeah, double dare was awesome too, though.
I'm not gonna Google it because it's gonna bug me.
299 Gary Brightwell, rookie Giants. Seal of approval Amari Cooper. Where would you Google for that? Google for that?
Kids game show climbing a mountain.
Wasn't it like the Astro Crag or something?
I don't even know. 299 Michael Pittman Jr. Colts. Guts. That's what it was. Stars Stephon Diggs. I thought it was double dare. Then I was like, oh, double dare is the one where they always.
So that's the one I was talking about with the nose picking thing.
Oh yeah. Jersey to 99 Jonathan Taylor Colts. Yeah, they always get slimed in double dare. Devin White graffiti. There was always like a giant cake at the end for some reason.
You know, with the ice cream, they had to like climb through ice cream and stuff.
Yeah.
With toppings.
T. Higgins again here. Patch this time to 25. What are the T. Higgins low numbers in this one? Bengals crushing it with T. Higgins. Gold team, CeeDee Lamb. It's a 99 Tylan Wallace rookie Ravens. Oh, there's a little ding on the card there, it looks like. Yeah. Russell Wilson stars. Send an empty box with the Ravens there for that ding card. This is a 249 stars. Aaron Rodgers, Packers. Packers won today, I'm assuming, against the Bears.
Oh, sorry, man. Come on.
Yeah, I feel like I would have heard otherwise. It was close though, I think.
399 Marquez Stevenson Bills. It was first half was close. I don't know if it stayed that way. Seal of approval D Hop. That was definitely a false start. It's 299 LaMichael P. Ryan Jets. Aaron Donald seal of approval. Elijah Moore, rookie jersey to 299 Jets. Stars D Hop. Post forward. Chuba Hubbard. RPA Panthers at 249. It's been pretty good in place of McCaffrey. Chase Young graffiti. Peyton Turner to 149 Saints rookie. Gold team Kyler. Zach Wilson, rookie to 299. There you go, Jets. Stars, Devontae Adams. Amon Green with the Packers auto to 40. Little throwback auto there. Stephon Diggs, Dark Horses. Here he is, Geno Smith. Jonathan Taylor had a huge game today. Jersey to huge second half, I should say. He got 2 carries in the first half. Can you believe that? 249 Colts. Mac Jones graffiti. Blue rookie to 75, Monty Rice, Titans. Gold team, George Kittle.
I had a Geno Smith rookie 101 at one point, so I hope he doesn't ball out.
So 99, AJ Brown, Titans. You had a what?
Geno Smith rookie 101. I got rid of it like 4 years after that.
399, Kellen Mond rookie. I think it'd be all right. Stars, Aaron Rodgers. This could be the one window, though. This could be it.
Exactly.
The one weekend. Brett doesn't want to watch this game anymore.
Sorry.
Well, he's just handing it off so far. Which is a bold move considering they don't even have Chris Carson. I couldn't tell you who that guy is, to be honest. Cornell Powell, number 41. Rookie jersey to 249 Chiefs. Gold team, Derrick Henry.
I want to know what 5 linebackers are better than TJ Watt.
PFF doesn't count. To 199, Kirk Cousins, Vikings. Stars, Christian McCaffrey. Who would be better?
Not 5 people, I can tell you that.
Especially an outer linebacker.
Got ripped off last year for
Devin White to 199. Gold team, Bucks.
outscored Aaron Donald in every single stat except for one.
Because Aaron Donald's an interior lineman, though. So 299, Wap Phillier, Vikings. They should have just had Co. I don't know why they didn't just share it. Derrick Henry, seal of approval. Tua, 13 to 25. College jersey number, Dolphins. Aaron Rodgers, Dark Horses. Nico Collins, rookie jersey to 249 Texans. Tom Brady, Stars. I want to know if I'm going to beat Ortiz this week. I'll check. Vikings, RPA, Emir Smith Marset to 299. Seal of approval, Russell Wilson. To 249, Brandon Ayuk, Niners. Stars to 249, Lamar Jackson, Ravens. So 399, Larry Roundtree, Chargers. Stars, Ezekiel Elliott. Who's defensive player of the year so far this year? Is it Trevon Diggs?
Yeah.
It's gotta be.
Sam Hubbard, auto to 99 Bengals. Trevor Lawrence graffiti. All right, one more box. Thanks everyone for joining. Good luck here. DK to graffiti to 199. Whoa. Seahawks just made a catch and got lit up by Jordan Norwood. To 199, Elijah Moore, rookie Jets. Gold team, Mahomes. I would love for this game to just be a shootout.
Okay.
Final score, 45 to 42. Rookie to 75, Jamar Chase. There you go, Bengals. Nice chase. Stars, Dalvin Cook.
Bengals killing it.
Rhett, why is your team named Dalvin and the Chipmunks if you don't have Dalvin Cook?
Well, I named him before.
Trey Lance, rookie jersey to 299 Niners.
You don't want to know what my name is.
Seal of approval, Josh Allen. Are you allowed to say it on stream?
No.
Okay.
I'll show you.
That was my first question. Kenneth Gainwell, Eagles RPA to 349. Eagles. Dark Horse is Saquon.
Change the P in Pittsburgh to T. And that's S in Steelers to a F.
249 Ben Roethlisberger Steelers. Devin White to 249 Gold Team Bucks. Rookie to 299 Michael Carter Jets. Lamar Jackson Stars. Jonathan Taylor Colts auto 1 of 30. There you go, Colts. Mahomes seal of approval. Dak Prescott patch to 99. Nice 3 colors. Cowboys. George Kittle Stars. To 199 Tyreek Hill Chiefs. And a Brandon Ayuk graffiti base. And that'll do it for the break. Thank you again for joining, everybody. More football coming up.